Hello and welcome to the DIY session on fuse inspection. Don't be stuck due to a minor electric fault that you can easily fix. Always check the fuse before you go on a ride. If your motorcycle isn't starting or if the horn or light isn't functioning, then the first thing you should check is the fuse. Before we start, just ensure you have a nose plier. Now, to start with, kill the engine switch and take out the key from the ignition lock. Now open the right side panel lock with the key and gently pull it out from the lug and place it safely on a clean and soft cloth to avoid scratches. Open the fuse box gently. The box will have both the fuses, operational ones and the spare ones. Using the nose plier, gently pull out the fuses one by one for detailed inspection. Look for the faulty fuse that has a broken wire. If you find one, replace it with a spare fuse available in the fuse box. Ensure it fits properly. Now put them back in the slots and close the fuse box. Then reinstall the right side panel. Press it firmly and lock it. Never use a different ampere fuse instead of the one being used originally. It may lead to serious damage to the electrical system or may catch fire due to short circuit. It is recommended to visit a Benelli service center near you to restore the consumed spare fuse. Now you're all set for a long ride. Keep roaring.